Hey there, welcome back. Just a little quick video here. I'm going to take a look at this German sewing kit. And this was obtained from ArmyandOutdoors.com. They're out of New Zealand, but they do ship internationally via DHL pretty quickly once it clears customs. So I've always been pretty happy with what I've gotten from them. Again, ArmyandOutdoors.com. So let's go ahead and take a look. This is how it arrived, with a simple loop knot around it. Let's see if I can untie this. That came out easily. And let's take a look on the inside here. You can see Bundeswehr and serial numbers, manufacturer marks, and two pockets basically of contents. Let's just inventory them real quick. We got our scissors, in pretty good shape. Not sure you can see the brand there. We're getting a little bit of glare. Looks like these are Derby 2000, Germany. Getting through our threads here. This looks kind of almost purplish gray. I know the light here is a little bit tricky. Could also qualify as a kind of a grayish blue. Let me put that over that glare right there. Here we have some olive gray, looks like. Olive green, sorry. And this one is definitely more grayish than this one here. That's definitely more blue. So far we got a kind of a bluish gray, olive green, and then a basic gray. We have a thimble, so you don't poke yourself. And this pocket is clear. Here we have a variety of buttons. They are transparent, translucent ones, as well as opaque, darker ones. They do appear to be mostly, they do appear to be all black. I don't see any green ones in here. Okay, then we have starbursts holding threads. So this one looks more grayish, and this one appears more greenish. And these are probably different weighted threads there. And then here, I believe is the last packet. Yes. Well, looks like somebody's adhesive here, possibly to hold two pieces of cloth in place. And here's our needle packet, it appears to be, from what I feel. Yep. We have a whole bunch of needles here of various lengths and diameters. So I count 1, 2, 3, 5 needles. 2 are quite large and 3 are more regular size there. Pretty hefty set. So that's about it. Neatly packs away. Put that adhesive back here. We got our starbursts. Stick those back in there. Take our buttons. Put those back. And then we have our large loop of pretty thick blue thread. That's pretty nice. And then our regular spools here, which you can load onto sewing machines, etc. And our scissors, and lastly the thimble. So again, this was acquired from ArmyandOutdoors.com. You can go check them out. They have lots of stuff on there. And let's just tie this up neatly the way we found it. Looks like a simple loop there, and based on the creases still on here, I think we can probably do something like that. Ready to go. Alright, that's all I got. Thanks for watching.